Durkee told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my ass? Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace. I just sat with the men politicians, I'm trying to change the image. You can't blame my past no more, I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm a voice, but the system ain't give me a choice. Know some people that's still unemployed. I know a felon who tryna get forward. Child support, your only support. For a visit, I'm going through courts. Went to jail, they was chaining me up. And you know that I'm famous as fuck. See how you gon' joke about stimulus, but they really had came in the clutch. I know some kids wanna hurt themselves. Stop trying to take drugs, I refer to myself. Trying to better myself, trying to better my health. But all my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. First generation ghetto nigga, cold world, hello niggas. Made it out the city with my head on straight. Niggas keep shooting up the let out. Young Jordan Pill gotta get out. Cause the shit that I spit out is a cheat code, like I'm facing a Rico. And how a nigga put a hit out. And another one, and another one. I got like 100 of them by the lap niggas, so they think they ahead of me, but I'm really in front of them now. Some of them fumbling they bags, fucking up the little crumbs that they had. A reminder to humble yourself, this shit could be gone in an instant. Me, I'm running long distance, all pistons firing. I've been stuck between maybe retiring and feeling like I'm just not hitting my prime. These days, seeing rappers be dying way before they even getting they shine. I never even heard a little buddy till somebody murder little buddy. Now I'm on the phone searching little buddy name, got her playing his tunes all day in my room. Thinking, damn, this shit wicked to get their names buzzing. Some niggas just gotta go lay in a tomb. And media thirsty for clicks. I got a new rule, if you ain't ever posted a rapper when he was alive, you can't post about him after he get hit. It's simple, it's the principle. On any tempo, I'm invincible. Don't even rap, I just vent to you. I'd rather that than an interview most days. Fuck them all like I'm going through a whole phase. Young niggas shoot out the whip like road rage. I pray all of my dogs stay so paid, and the only thing to kill them is old age. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No, no, no. All my life, they be trying to keep me down.
Throwing money in a spiral. Every time your girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my hole. She shake her ass, do the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tie rope. I be blowing up like some pyro. Coupe 150, call it Cairo. If she left with me, she the right hoe. Man, she riding me like a BMX. Man, she said the D is for Dino. I got two horns like a rhino. There's no way you could buy hope, but I brought a mansion with a slide though. Yes, I opened up the slide though, so you can hear it hit the high note. I like the way you do it, 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 you do it. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Money keep coming in, I can't lose. Foreign girls in they tens, I can't choose. Foreign car got the 10, I can't cruise. Got different color on my diamonds, I can't even see the time. I don't wanna see her face, I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the rib, I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K, it was quicker than a vine. I was swinging from a vine, tryna pull me down but I climbed. I'ma get it, keep trying. toes. I be walking with a slime nose, and I'm also walking with my side hoe. Only time I be walking when I'm on the moon, so I feel like Michael. I was talking to my little slime, that's a little lizard called a Geico. In reality, I'm 5'4", stand on my money now, I'm 6'6". Hit her once, now she dismissed. Can't fuck her sister, make her leak dick. 40 already make my hip thick. When I see her op, make the clip hit. Aiming at his top, boy, you need a mop. Man, I'm going out with a vengeance. My pants, Ralph Simmons. My shoes, Rick. Young girl did my tartar sauce, so she ate my dick like a fish stick. Hit it raw, yes I am a dog. I don't do this shit for no image. All my diamonds, they be hitting hard. Try to play me, boy, that's a scrimmage. I got different color on my diamonds. I can't even see the time. I don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the rib. I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K. It was quicker than a vine. I was swinging from a vine. Try to pull me down, but I climb. I'ma get it, keep trying. There's no reason for the cry. We the ones that be sliding, they the ones that be dying. Know my boys that be riding, and my door's suicide. You can just go any day now. Michael Montana, they beat it from cake out. Got frost in my diamonds, I'm getting the cake now. I stay on your stomach, little bitch, when you lay down. Leave it up, cause you can go any day now. Michael Montana, they beat it from cake out. Frost in my diamonds, cause I got the cake now. When you on your stomach, little bitch, better lay down. I'm so up and I can't turn it down. They counted me out, my whole life turned around. Clean up my diamonds, you know I got rented. Know my boys coming, you know they be busy. That advance that you waiting for, already spent it. When I'm on the beat, man, you know I'm gon' kill it. We be throwing money in a spiral. Every time your girl hear my song, yeah, turn her right into my hole. She shake her ass, do the eye roll. Got a skinny thong like a tightrope. I be blowing up like some pyro. Coupe 150, call it Cairo. I got different color on my diamonds. I can't even see the time. I don't wanna see her face. I'ma go and get behind. Drop the top on the rib. I'ma make it lose his mind. I just made 100K. It was quicker than a vine. I was swinging from a vine. Try to pull me down, but I climb. I'ma get it, keep trying. There's no reason for the cry. We the ones that be sliding, they the ones that be dying. Know my boys that be riding, and my door's suicide.
I like the way you do it. 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 You do it.
Leo, flip the beat, yo.
Fuck that bitch, ain't no respect for her. That little bitch turn her back so quick, you ain't got no check for her. I seen the type of nigga she fuck with, no respect for her. Act like a dog, then I take you to a pet store. I fuck her crazy, then I move on to the next whore. I do you dirty, how you knocking on your ex door. You think you bougie, but you bougie for the internet. Your pussy dookie, gotta spit on it just to get it wet. She fucked on Goofy, said she wish that she could take it back. Told me how you hate the clout, now you chasing it. I can treat you like a clown, bitch, you waiting on the purse. I can really put you down, bitch, you waiting on the first. She say, why ain't fuck her twice? I say, I'm waiting on my perks. I can see your cousins now with their faces on your shirt. Hold on, wait, hey, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Told me how many niggas you fuck. You tell me how many dicks you suck. I'm like, yeah, freaky bitch, so we should take a turn. When I fuck, I say I'm coming back, they never learn. Smoke a hotel bathroom out and let the water run. Count 100,000 cash, then they cut my thumb. Bitch, you can't lie to me, you can't tell me what can't fuck. You was acting so unsure, we was taking turns. You know now I fucked your friend, bitch, you got the nerve. You was trying to catch us up when you got the word. Answer the phone while he was calling, then I made her nervous. He didn't even know I was at her crib, I'm like, damn, I'm dirty. Call with phone when I left, I said her pussy murder. Plus she stayed next to the house, I had to close the curtain. Fuck that bitch, suck a rich nigga dick. Ain't the only rich nigga, I can't never give you kiss. Let you suck it with the ice, you gotta mix it with the spit. You can be my hoe forever, I can never give you shit. Hold on, wait, hey, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait, bitch. Hold on, wait,
judge I won't budge. I told the judge I won't budge. Bow, bow. You know what I'm saying? It's that new queen, that old queen, that old queen, and that new queen. Yo, ain't talk to judge with no budge. I'ma lie under oath, right or wrong. I'ma stand on the shit that I quote. They ain't for real when they making them posts. I was broke, couldn't imagine me losing my hoes. Losing my head, I don't know who to trust. I stood for hours to wait on the bus. I turned $4,200 the runs. Got it all off a rap, I ain't pulling no stunts. I got the spot that they ain't passing up. Claim that he having, but ain't had enough. The feds that he giving these niggas a deal. I'ma stay out the way, cause it ain't adding up. What you know about the law trying to say you a leader? They really just mad cause I'm feeding my P. I let them search everything in the car. They ain't find nothing but hoes and a little bit of reefer. Don't play with the evil, my face still in Christ. Lost every partner, I'm still living life. No need for a laser, we shoot it precise. They know the queen be on point like a knife. I'm live from the block, you can tell I done prospered. I hate a hoe that let everybody knock her. She got the clap like, and ain't never seen nobody die. Make him a cake, I might throw him a party for real. I can't help but to try to get even. I ain't gonna lie, I done took a few L's in the streets, but it's smoke every time niggas see me. My heart made to go, but it's cold like a penguin. All these niggas rest, they just don't got a reason. I'm the boss man up in Nemus. Diamonds on me, got a cheese. I put a 30 ball up for this coupe. Go to the king, get him whooped for a suit. I made a vow to speak nothing but the truth. I left him walk when I walked out the booth. You niggas never seen nobody die. Let niggas tell it, then everybody shoot. I feel my granny look down from the sky. She kept it real like she know how to do. She fell in love with a thug. I suit up and take a bitch right to the hood. Niggas gon' making them statements, get out on the streets like everything good. Don't respect misunderstandings, cause everything's supposed to be still overstood. This right here is a Hellcat. Yo nigga driving the engine that could. Standing on business, don't know how to let. That nigga broke, he don't know how to grind. First thing first, I'ma get to the race. Give a fuck about the image of slanging some mind. Blue face rolling, call that guacamole. I buy me a trophy, it took me some time. I was 16 when they threw me a 6-figure deal. Flew me out trying to get me the sign. She wanna fuck on the top dog, gave it a hot dog. I'm trying to hit from behind. They trying to copy the shit that I make. If you wanna go up, get a different design. Her baby daddy a rapper, but when I come clap her, she only won't listen to mine. Niggas be acting like they have emotion, but they really broken. They just getting by. Damn, nigga, damn. They getting broken, they getting high. Damn, then you broke. How fuck you getting high? Damn. I got a whole lot of young niggas put up clap like young niggas. Y'all, you want to swim on us? We send them up like look in the sky, nigga.
Yeah, I just took a bitch on land. All in that lit, know what I'm saying. Tell watch the AP dance. Nah, I ain't nothing like a man. I don't even know why she playing. Yeah, we stepping on shit like soldiers. Got chopper like Afghanistan. I've been tripping in the Rolls Royce. Big one to cuddling it. Yeah, I told her just do what you can, but don't ever do what you can't. They have the set like Santa. Tap out the seal on the wall, huh? Then drop shit in the fan up. Nah, I don't talk to these niggas. These niggas be cool, but these niggas be fanned up. Tell level low with a freak. And she ain't even from Atlanta. These niggas monkey see, monkey do. So you know we giving bananas. Put the top out like a can up. Instead of I ain't gotta shoot shit, but still I ain't even hand it over. We on that bitch shit with a whole lot of vibe. Tell me from Fist said she tryna ride. Put the fortune right on and that motherfucker glide. Seen some shit I could never speak on, but you know this shit just life. Yeah, you know I seen her around before. I'm guessing tonight, that night. I thought she was capping, that motherfucker tight. Yeah, I just took a bitch on land. All in that lit, know what I'm saying. Tell watch the AP dance. Nah, I ain't nothing like a man. I don't even know why she playing. Yeah, we stepping on shit like soldiers. Got chopper like Afghanistan. I've been tripping in the Rolls Royce. Big one to cuddling it. Yeah, I told her just do what you can, but don't ever do what you can't.
Do you have an entry song?
Tasting up so dick in the lamb. I can tell she want like she was nervous. Diamond, they shine on the
What it do, boys? What it do, gang? This is GG. You can put on GG where you want to put. It's oh, that's not good. What the fuck happened to my screen? I'm gonna be so pissed right now. I'm so pissed right now. There's no fucking way, Miguel.
Yeah, I just took a bitch on land. All in that lit, know what I'm saying. Tell why the AP dance. Nah, I ain't nothing like a man. I don't even know why she playing. Yeah, we stepping on shit like soldiers. Got chopper like Afghanistan.
What's up, boys? Do you guys hear me? See me? What's up, boys? Do you guys hear me? See me? Good morning, Century. Good morning, Century. Oh my god, no echo, no echo, no echo. There you go. Fixed it.
Do you have like a different carpet or something?
Huh?
Do you have like a different carpet? Like a folder?
No, dude. I have no idea what the fuck happened. It should be in this one or this one.
Let's go. Fucking with the scammers, we gon' make the bank go on alert.
Whatever.
Fucking with the circle, we gon' put your
I don't like people touching my shit.
Feeling kinda evil, I should probably go and pray today.
Let's rock out today, boys. My bad, it has been a slow start of the morning. Miguel, put your trade in. Aren't you in a trade? What's up? Put it on. Let's have you do a little bit more on top of this right now.
No, muchacho, ahorita actualmente estoy en una operación.
No, but in English, brother.
I'm in a short right now. Guys, send on a Spanish group. My entry was in 173.20. Profit. I got two take profits at the moment. En una operación, dice el ave.
Danny says he loves New York streams.
Danny?
Fucking with the circle, we gon' put your partner on the shirt. Feeling kinda evil, I should probably go and pray.
I got two TPs. First TP is 172.95.
Alright, boys, by the way, this trade right now is the trade that Style in Spanish is currently in. Miguel over here currently sent this to the Signal channel. I am not currently in this trade yet. I like it. I don't see buys. We're at the top of a range right now. We have had bearish momentum throughout the whole London session, so sells look pretty decent right here. As you can see, his strategy is a little bit different to mine. He takes profit, a bit of profit at TP1. Like his take profit 1 isn't at a 1-to-1. Oh, it is. Well, I don't know when he's gonna take profit. Sometimes he'll have take profit 1 in front of his risk reward ratio of 1-to-1. But currently, I guess he sees that we need to take profit at take profit 1, and we're potentially gonna push down to make new lows. Thoughts on buys on US 30? Dude, US 30 and S&P fucking had a run up, guys. Did anybody catch that shit yesterday? Literally, that shit fucking just rallied all the way up, left everybody in the dark. My stream setup, guys, is not how it's supposed to be, so I apologize for the disgustingness on the screen. I know it's nothing appealing, but fuck, it's a work in the making. Okay. Look at this. Alright, thoughts on, rundown. Alright, what to do, Blodge? What to J De La Vie, Frank, Jay-Z, what is it? Martincio. Oh, we got the whole gang in the house. Have you guys taken any trades tonight? Or we got a bunch of no traders for the day? Up to the moment, man, the only thing I feel like I've missed out on this whole session, the only thing that I feel like I've missed out on a bit is maybe this run up right here, 1 candlestick, 2 candlestick. Maybe I think I would have caught this 3rd candlestick flipping bearish to bullish. I definitely would have been a little bit aggressive. Nonetheless, it's still valid. Why is the chat not loading? Has nobody even saying anything? When did you send this trade? How long you been in this trade? Gold buys only. Why the fuck is this not even there? Why the fuck? All right. Gold buys only. Let's check it. Gold buys. Jesus Christ. Gold decided this whole little rundown was just like, I mean, once this gave us confirmation that gold was gonna start rejecting, this was a great time. Look at how beautiful. Yeah, gold moves clean as fuck. Gold is deciding to move clean as fuck. Maybe we do gotta start trading gold. Look at this. All right, 4 hour gold breaking resistance. Now, I don't think the gold is gonna keep on rallying right now, to be honest. If it does, dude, it would be considered to be on crack. That shit is definitely, yeah, I wouldn't take a buy right now. GBPC, I don't do that. Look at GU. GU looks like it needs to start coming down to support. So if anything, if we're using off correlations, GU looks bearish, right? GU doesn't look like it's going to reject. The only thing that I could see possibly for bullish on any GBP pair right now is maybe throwing fibs and trying to catch retracements. Nonetheless, it's a part of the strategy, but that will be considered a counter trend trade. So the way you manage the trade would be completely different. We'd probably be throwing at break even a lot earlier. Yeah, but up to the moment, we're gonna wait for New York session to bring in some volume. Boys, we got do we have anybody in this trade? Ones in the chat if you are in this trade. Ones in the chat if you're in this trade. Wonder if anybody is in this trade. All right, I've been in buy since 173.143 using your low risk at first and extend the stop loss to 50 pips. Almost got stopped out, but it's coming back up to it. So let's see what happens if we lose 1%. Oof. Okay, so wait, you were in since 173.140. 173.1. Oh Jesus. Oh, I have an entry there right now. I also have an entry right there. I don't think I was looking too good. I have an entry at 173.180. So yeah, you're looking at a better entry than mine, and I'm in a goddamn, basically a full percent. But I also see a sell limit at 173.340. 340. 173.34. Wait. I don't get it. A sell limit. Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. So if price comes all the way back up here, you think it's done and due. So you see this clear resistance that you're trying to catch off the top. I mean, honestly, if I were to be honest, I think the sell's about to play out. Look at this constant confirmations that we're getting towards the downside right here. Everything looks like it's zapping down. We're about to get a big impulse. I mean, all the big impulses have been to the downside besides this little rally right here. So unless we rally the whole, if we do go bullish right now, we have a potential to rally the whole New York session. I completely think that. You know, maybe even go back into this range right here. This range is like a huge magnet. Remember, this is support and resistance. Support and resistance like magnets right here. There's a support, resistance, all this right here. Huge magnet, huge magnet. If we get to say this whole range right here is a huge magnet, just like the range under here is a huge magnet, right? Price needs to get to one of those ranges before we end the session. It would make no sense for us to just stay right here in the middle, right? So let's start, you know, simplifying things a bit. Yeah, I took Miguel's short also. What's your stop loss? 185 entry. I honestly don't have a goddamn stop loss. That's the truth. But realistically, I'm risking 0.5%. So what is that? Like 14 pips, 15 pips? On GJ, what's the full percent on GJ?
12, 13, 14 pips.
Yeah. I have a very tight stop loss. What's your stop loss, Andre? What was an operation? Did anybody join over? Who was over at Miguel's live stream right now? Was anybody over at Miguel's live stream, or most people didn't get to see it? Is it in buys or sells? Look, the hotline bling does not even understand what's happening right now because he was like, "Yo, there's a sell on the screen on Bullish Lifestyle. What is happening?" So, We're in cells, boys. Right here in this stream together. Stream-wise, we're in cells. Stream-wise, we're in cells, right? This is Miguel's trade that he sent to the Discord group. If you guys notice, I'm not sure if you guys have been paying attention, but there's a Discord in Spanish, right? So if this is the first time you notice there's a Discord in Spanish, you probably smoke as much weed as I do. And when you go to the Discord in Spanish, if you like the first one under the signals, this is says signals right here. This is where you're gonna see the signals, and realistically, you'd have to just Google what the hell ventas means. This is sell, right? Sell. I mean, you'd have to figure it out how you want to, if you want to follow the signals regardless. That is we usually have Miguel's stream during New York session. Yesterday he caught a banger, so we were going to keep it going, and I was going to join onto his New York session because I wasn't sure how London session was going to be reacting for us. I don't really want to... I think throughout the whole London session we would have opened. I would have probably been patient, not wanting to take any of these buys. The only buy I would have probably wanted to take is something around here. And this would have been already during almost getting to New York, which we are in New York 6 minutes into New York. I don't feel like I missed out on any move. It would have been very hard to try to catch this retracement or this retracement and to hop in a sell when I'm not completely convinced that we're bearish. Would have been detrimental to my head. So sometimes that is a clear example of when the charts are not giving you what you want. You just have to be patient and wait for it to give you what you want, you know? Like there's no... I don't even feel rushed to trade every day to pass the FTMO account. I don't feel rushed to have to take a setup. Like, charts are always here. I'm always going to be able to come back to the chart. Miguel, aren't you live, bro? You okay? Miguel's live right here. What do you mean?
I was live. I just like hopped in this one today.
I bet AJ didn't even know that you're fucking... He must have been like...
Nah, I mean...
This guy's transportating.
He's been joining like half of a stream.
Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait, bitch. So, wait, what's up with the music? Oh, this song is pretty bad. Jay De La Vie, I'd love, I mean, I know you've been trying to get on a call with me. I have, swear to God, to try to find like a moment to actually do something like that. It seems pretty simple, but in this goddamn world that we live in right now, it hasn't been. But I'd love to be able to turn on my speakers and for my mic not to be able to capture the audio, because right now I'm in a room of silence. Ugh. And oh my God, aren't you live? Okay, I thought you were in my buys. No, I am in your buys. Like I said.
I type there, like that's my soul.
No. I mean, I'm not in buys on the FTMO account. I'm on buys on my personal account. Nothing to do with what I sent to the signals. Nothing what I do with it sent to the trades. Boys, I also have my own fucking trading life of my own. Every time I take a trade, it's not gonna be just given to you guys. I try to be, but like, you know, imagine how hard it is to actually limit yourself to only taking a trade from 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. Like, it's like I put myself in a position where I have to give myself a 3-hour period to catch a trade. So if I don't see the setup that I like within that 3-hour period, it kind of like I start having to change things a bit. So one, I either start sending signals when I'm not online, which I could do. I just, you know, this is no valid setup right now for buys. I don't really love buys too much besides this bullish price action. The only thing I could tell you that you like, the only reason you would like buys, and the only reason I think buys could play out is just saying this is the London session, right? London session almost died out. We got to basically right here when London session started dying out, right? Liquidity grab, come back to the range. We're moving sideways, down channel, side channel, and now we start forming an up channel, right? We've melted the whole London session for volume just come into New York and retrace it. Why is that possible? Also due to the fact that London session, I mean, nah, I was gonna say that there's no reason for us to just keep on melting through, but honestly there's no reason for us to not keep on melting through. So what? You're holding back on wait, what do you say? This is why I never get to read everything. You see, that's why I always struggle. The fucking covers half of it. What? You're holding back on trades? I said I'm not sharing them. Frank's like sharing is not sharing is caring. What's poppin', fam? S3. All right. Oh, okay. I was confused. But if you're in a buy, I'm in a buy also. That's the truth. I'm in a goddamn buy. I'm in a tight stop loss buy. I'm in a drawdown in a buy. And now, do I recommend anybody hop in a buy right now? Not really. Do I recommend you hop in the sell? I mean, the sell is closer to stop loss, and statistically speaking,
it's gonna play out.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know if it's gonna play out, but Miguel's very confident in it.
Super confident in it.
Miguel's little track record right here. Yesterday he caught some sells. He hit TP1. I don't know. Did you get to TP2?
No, that's the second trade. Yesterday I took a second trade. I caught like 30 pips. Yesterday.
Where's take profit?
What do you mean?
Did you hit take profit?
That's the first one. Yesterday. That one is the second one from yesterday.
This is yesterday's second trade.
Yeah.
And this one,
That's like a first TP. I got some profits.
oh, this is the first trade.
Yeah, that's the first trade.
So Miguel sends multiple trades a session and he fucking gets them. Cheese and rice, boys. Alright, well, you're holding back on trades. This one fan. Okay, I was confused. Yo, what's good? What it do, Carlos Lozano? My dude, I love seeing the whole gang always pop out. Shit always makes me feel great. Boys, oh wait, Frank, are you in any trades? Frank, you take what the hell is Frank looking at? Frank, you like buys or sells? I'm at break even in my goddamn buy. No way. Miguel took a buy literally when I took a sell. The way we interpreted this candle is completely different. I see this candle as a continuation candle. Exactly. Oh. Brother, did you take this sell on your FTMO account? No, we did not take any trades on the FTMO account. I apologize. I kind of make sure that I don't take any trades on that FTMO account unless I have... I mean, Hilton. I mean, I think you always come back, Hilton. There's a certain amount of people that I have like completely written in my mind that I'm not going to take an FTMO trade if they're not there. One of them being, most important guy to me is basically Blodge. Blodge is the one that kind of follows it person by person. Trade by trade. Other people kind of trade multiple accounts. They do multiple crazy things. So, I mean, my point is whenever I'm going to take an FTMO trade, I'll make it very, 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 very clear. Very clear, right? It's New York session. I don't really trade New York session. I don't think I'll take an FTMO trade. Nonetheless, I'll probably send a signal if I do like something to the Discord channel. I'll clarify that it's not on the FTMO. But yeah, I'll make sure every time I take an FTMO trade, it's very, 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 very clear. Now, what I love for it's kind of like I mean, it's a very complicated thing for a lot of people to do to not touch their FTMO account, or maybe they only have that account. But I don't know. That's where everybody kind of has to see how it goes. Like I could pass this FTMO account how I usually want to pass my FTMO account. So seeing a good trade that I like, you know, not saying full margin it, but you know, you start risking, you start putting your chips down wherever you like them. But I have that risk tolerance. I have the availability to be able to lose that account. So passing this challenge that I'm doing with you guys, it's more of like I'm just trying to make sure that I take like baby steps to make sure I don't do anything that would be like that would screw over your guys' psychology and then put you guys in a major drawdown and put you guys in a position where you guys are feeling a bit screwed. So that all those trades are just going to be those trades that we have been performing well on the live stream, which is just what I call class A setups. If everybody who's been joining my live streams, I always say I'm always going to send my A setups. If it's an A setup to an A plus setup, I'll send it to the FTMO. But if it's a B setup, C setup, it's a B minus setup, all right, I'm not down to take an FTMO trade there. I'm not trying to have you guys hop into something that I have no chance of losing. For example, I'm going to buy right now, and I told you guys I prefer sells over buys. I know my trade has a chance of losing the way it started opening. Now I like it a little bit better, but it's not that I'm gonna have you guys hop into trades just because I feel like it's gonna go. I'm not sending signals on what I feel. I'm gonna send on signals on what I see technically. It makes perfect sense, and it's something that I know statistically works. But if this is a field trade, right? There's not much technicality around here. All right, my boy, I'm gonna go get ready for my day. Have a good one, my G AJ. It's always fucking great talking to you, brother. Great seeing you, great talking to you. You're the man. Thank you for always coming by and saying what's up. Have a good day, AJ. Blodge, that is like one of my main dudes that I am worried about. Blodge is once I get Blodge a funded account, that is the only fucking thing. Like it's like Kate with the signals. If Kate hits a take profit, my whole signal chat wins. You know, we win if Kate wins. Now if Blodge gets FTMO funded, woof, that's the win right there. That is the big W. I am finally in profit. W Blodge. All right, what about you guys? Blodge, did you take any trades today? Blodge, do you trade multiple accounts? Do you have only one FTMO account? Do you have what are you doing? Did you get a certain account? Do you trade crypto? I don't trade crypto. I hold crypto. I invest in crypto. I don't trade crypto. Well, I saw somebody saying that Bitcoin was dying because of Binance. Blah, 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 blah. What I could tell you about crypto, what I could tell you about any stock, any currency, any what else? Future, any index, anything that has a goddamn chart to it related to finance. What I could tell you is every time you have a bull run, before the bull run is a bear. It's like a bear market. It's a bear. It's a big. Before the bull run comes the bear. Before. Wait, what's the fucking saying? You don't even know, so you ain't paying attention. Guys, before the bull run, there has to be a retracement. There is no chance you could ever get a bull run without a retracement. Every bull run, every you know, like every I was about to say every bear run is followed up by a bull run, but no. Whenever you get a bull run, it has to be before the bull run comes a retracement, right? Yeah, it's a mini bank market, it's a bear market. Before the bull run, you have to have a melt out. Every bull run before a bull run has been followed up by a melt out. And if you've been following crypto, every time you see that, like whenever, every time we've had a rally before the rally has been all fallout. So you need the fallout for the rally to come. So I get excited whenever fucking I see price start melting like that. I literally get excited. Bro, what happened, Ehab? How's everything, Ehab? Missed you. Where were you this morning? Same place where I am every morning, brother. Just not feeling the market, not feeling the so realistically, once I mean look at this trade, boys, which is completely on the wrong side. This one I'm gonna keep this one up just so we all remember what the hell we did here, right? I'll blame myself for this one. I will show you my trades. Wait, I will show you my trades in Discord now. All right, I'm gonna hop off Discord. Let's go to the free chat, members analysis. You guys can send it to the free chat or members analysis to be able to send you guys trades that you guys have took during London session or what you guys are looking at during New York. It means that the volume of pressure is going to be. Wait, well look at this. What is the green delta? Oh shit. Who is this guy? This guy hopped into our chat and he's like running the show, which I don't mind. But who the hell is this guy? One, what I start noticing, guys, yesterday I was here on the greetings, like whenever somebody gets started, it shows who joined, and I saw like 2 Dr. Pesos, and then I saw that I clicked on their name and they were deleted from the Discord server. So thank you to my moderators for being such good fellers. Cheese and rice. Well, right now we're having a little bit of a volume push. We are 7 minutes into New York session. We are at the London New York crossover. So the reason I wasn't on earlier, boys, is due to the fact that I did not like price action. You know, like I'm not convinced. Yesterday's move did not convince me that we are bearish, right? Why did yesterday's move not convince me that we are bearish? Man, look at this market. Like what looks, it's just like saying, it's just like this leg right here that we're looking at. If anybody's paying attention, this leg right here is equivalent to this leg right here. This is the same exact thing. This is the same exact picture. This is the bull run. Low, high. We just reached the same low. Bull run, low, high, reach the same low. Low, high, reach the same low. Low, high, reach the same low. Right? It's the same thing. Now, the only difference is that one's like probably like 40, 50 pips bigger. That's the 40, 50 pips that stopped me out. Let's see this. That is a 150 pip range, okay? Now let's look at somebody else, somewhere else. Oh, my bad, boys. Now let's look at this melt out. This melt out was also a, guys, do you guys see that? Basically almost the same, brother. It was basically almost the same. You see that? Is that me? Am I the only one that's looking at that? So when it comes down to, oh, we've had like guys, this one, like Frank said, dude, when Frank wrote that in the chat the other day, yesterday, Frank wrote something in the chat after we took that loss. Look what he wrote. I need to find it again. Frank said, it was a shitty ass PA day. It was a shitty ass price action today, right? Not any pullbacks, but only slow grind down. So what is he saying? That during this whole little session, we had no really pullbacks. Everything was just slowly descending. And that slow descending is where we were catching our longs, thinking that we were gonna have a volume turnaround. Nonetheless, it was slowly descending, right? What else did he say? LOL, it sucks to be a bull sometimes, but this slow ass move does not make a bear, right? It was a slow ass leg down. Just because there was a slow ass leg down, it does not make him a bear. It does not make us bears just because we see retracements, right? We don't get scared on retracements. We held through the whole retracement. 4 hours still bullish structure. Hopefully we find we made a weekly wake down to the downside and we start pumping. So what is he saying here? He's saying, all right, all we needed to do was make a bottom weekly wick, right? We respected yesterday's previous weekly low. Now realistically, we're going into a New York session that is looking like it's having enough volume. No, dude, imagine we recover this whole move before London session comes tomorrow. That will make me feel a lot better than me have been waiting this whole London session to just catch a side channel. Like right now, I would have probably been dead, not wanting to take a trade. But Side channel, Duncan, are you in this cell? No, I am not. I am not in this cell. This is, so guys, remember, so every New York session, usually, besides the last 2 New York sessions I popped up, this is Bullish Lifestyle in Spanishes. Over here to my right, obviously Miguel here speaks English also, and if anybody wants to join in English, he's obviously going to give you attention. But up to the moment, so what signals are we going based off of past basically 8:30? Past 8:30, we're going off these over here, which it's in Spanish. Nonetheless, yesterday there was 2 dubs sent during New York session. Like you, Jay, crazy. Go to GJ doing that. What happened? Like you, Jay, crazy. I see GJ doing that. Like recovering right now, the whole set, recovering exactly what happened. Basic, dude, I definitely seen GJ being able to recover. I mean, hopefully, what I'm hoping is that we stay down here, truthfully, for the sake of my fucking stream and my London session streams that I care about a lot, I want this price to stay down here. Why? Because, I mean, it's a major level of support. It's going to give me a chance to be able to be actually having been in these areas before London session comes, London session pump, boom, I'm all the way up here trying to catch new highs, right? Small retracement meant nothing. But if you were convinced that we were bearish on GJ and you were convinced that the market was going to keep on melting, you were convinced that everything's just fucking going to die out. Not that this trade's going to hit. This trade has a perfectly very valid chance of hitting right now. This is literally just minor retracements. I'm talking about if you were one of the people that think that the 4 hour right here is going to end with GJ being all the way down at this level of support and just going to melt through everything. Guys, like, it's the, you know, like, I know if you just like the random person expected price to completely melt 4 hour all the way to this level of support, is the same expectation whenever I'm in a trade. I'm hoping for price to completely just rally the fuck up and just never come back. Like, that stuff doesn't happen consistently. Like, it's just realistically does not happen. This is not coronavirus trading days. What it do, Dr. Dollar? Am I in this trade? I am not in this trade. Miguel is in this trade. This is the Bullish Lifestyle in Spanish basically stream that we were just popping off here on my stream to do. This trade, I'm actually in a buy right now. Nonetheless, the buy, I like this. I think they're both very valid. I think I like the sell even more. Truthfully, the sell has more is more of a bearish lifestyle. Yeah, the sell has more of a technical setup to it. Any buys here are just risky fucking gamble buys. They're gamble buys right now. I'm super straight up. There's not really much price action telling you that it's a buy. The only thing I could tell you is a buy is you going off fundamentals and being like, oh, we had a huge bearish session, now we're going side channel. The only thing we're gonna do is just keep on recovering from the full move. You know, that's based off like fundamentals. Now when it comes down to technicals are telling us that we should start we should probably keep on going down, or at least start getting some rejections for the downside. Yeah, it's funny, dollars, that everybody that joins Miguel's stream says that Miguel only sends sells. So Miguel's literally fucking, look, TP hit, sells, TP hit, sells, more fucking take profits on sells and shit like that. He's only sending sells. So apparently he's the bearish lifestyle. I see sells under the higher low we created. So this is the higher low? Oh, this higher low. This higher low or this higher low? Higher low number 1 being this one down here, or higher low number 2 being this one down here? 2. Yeah, he's in the sellers group, definitely. He's definitely a freaking seller.
I'm 3-0 right now. So.
Frank says Miguel's killing it. So Miguel's been killing it. Like I said, man, it's trading all just comes down to styles, comes down to perspective. We all have different styles. We all have different perspectives. Nobody's right or wrong. It really just comes down to for example, I lost my trade yesterday, right? I lost my trade yesterday. Miguel hopped on. He won, and it was complete. My point is, taking a loss does not make you a bad trader. If you don't plan to lose in your trading, then you're never going to be successful. You're going to find yourself in losing and not knowing what to do, right? You know, like, everybody has to use, probabilities. This is a probability game, guys. Guys, if you guys, like, trading is literally a probability game. It's all about probabilities. That's why, how do you make it a probability game? Being consistent. The only way you can have probabilities is with a consistent setup, or a consistent trading, consistent pairs. You need to find as much variables as possible and make them not variables, and make them consistent variables. What are the constant variables? Not make them be variables that are changing left and right, because then you don't actually form a plan. You don't actually form a strategy. You don't actually have something consistent following. So therefore, probabilities don't exist. It's all just random, you know. So that kind of goes to say with those setups that I take with the bullish retracement sense. But you also can't hit a stop loss that's not there. That's very true, boys. Which that's a way to. I mean, and what he's saying there is a joke. But I use that even, like, I incorporate that joke into my trading. Like, you can't hit a stop loss that's not there, right? No stop loss game. I actually don't have a stop loss right now to begin with. But that's not the point I was gonna say. Having a larger stop loss, boys. Why do people, dude? Under leverage your guys' trades, right? There's always gonna be the greed when it comes to trading. You're always gonna be either in profit, wishing that you leveraged more, or you're either gonna be in drawdown, wishing that you leveraged less, right? Find that middle point, boys. If you guys find that middle point, follow that middle point. If you're as a trader don't develop that, finding that middle point, you're never going to be successful. You're going to always find yourself getting into psychology battles and always getting mad when you're in profit or getting upset when you're in drawdown. There's always that level of greed. You need to find that balance point where you don't have that anymore. Once you don't have that anymore, you're going to be able to keep on throwing consistent lot sizes, consistent stop losses. So what did I say that I incorporate into my trading is when he says when there's no low stop loss.
What a beast.
Boys,
thank you.
I just got surprised with a freaking coffee. Dude, this is I should have called you, Danny. I should have called you. I love saying that the no stop loss thing is amazing due to the fact that, guys, when you have larger stop losses, it gives you a chance to just get the bias correct. I keep on repeating that, but I want that to process in your head. If we were to throw, imagine this trade was like this, right? We were under leveraged. We weren't caring about money. The only thing we're caring about is hitting our take profit, right? We could be a little bit like 50% less than we would have won, right? Larger stop loss. If there's no stop loss around anywhere, then you don't get stopped out the trade. You know, if I'm throwing trades like this with 50 pips, 70 pips stop losses, not that I do that, but I'm telling you, the fact that when you get to take trades like this, if your stop loss is, you know, the only thing that this lets me do is get the bias correct. If you get the bias correct and your trade hits, I mean, it makes everything more simple. So the bigger the stop loss, the easier it is to just get the bias correct and let the trade hit. You know, you let it play out. Now, a lot of people don't have the patience for taking trades like this. A lot of people don't like setting a setup and going away from the charts. A lot of people don't like seeing the candlesticks be up 20 pips. They waited 30 minutes for 20 pips and they're only up goddamn $20. Right? Nonetheless, I bet you we're to grab all the freaking viewers in here. I would grab all the viewers in here. And if I were to put you guys up and start demo trading and start back testing, if I were to have 10 people have to throw 100 pip stop losses and 10 people have to throw 20 pip stop losses, and then they have to guess if the chart's gonna go up or down, I assure you, the people throwing the 100 stop losses they're gonna get like literally gonna have a huge win rate compared to the people with 20 pip stop losses. The stop losses matter, boys. I love that name. Stop losses matter. All right, let's see what the fuck is up with this trade. Miguel, you embarrassing me. All right, my buy stop just got triggered. All right, Van Post. Yo, Van Post, boys. Van Post is in the cell. That is good news for a dollar, if anything. Danny. Damn, I should have called you.
Why would you need it?
Because not this. This is probably the better. I didn't think you'd get a coffee. I was gonna be like, but then I was like, nah, he's probably gonna be tired. There's no Dutchess in this house.
It's hot packed over there.
I'm on the way. I'll be back.
No, you're good. I don't want. You're good. I have my
I
pen.
need two. Mine as well.
I'm on the buys. Buy stop just got triggered. I don't get it. Oh, buy stop just. All right, so we have Frank. Just got triggered. Wait, who got triggered in the sell stop? We have somebody that got triggered in the sell stop. Good morning, Karma Zen. Thank you for coming and saying what's up. We have somebody that got triggered into the sell stop. We have somebody that got triggered into the buy stop. We got me that are in buys, and we got him that are in sells. Jesus Christ, boy. So Frank's in the buy stop. Dude, I love Frank. Frank is like, dude, Frank. Wait, Frank's from Sweden. Frank, how old are you, brother? I think I'm talking to like a guy, like 60-year-old. I fell asleep. Should I enter? No, Karmazen. No, Karmazen. No, I am at a sell limit. Guys, I'm so sorry. I'm sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. I don't even want you guys to try to explain it to me. I think I know it. It just gets confusing. Just tell me you're in a sell or you're in a buy. What the fuck does a sell? Does a sell limit means hop in a sell limit means hop in a sell?
Yes, but they'll be in the top.
Oh, okay.
So limit. Sell stop.
Oh, okay. So like if you're taking an impulse with the candlestick, it would be a sell limit.
Yeah, if you're going up, you're trying to reach a certain point.
No. If candlestick, imagine if I wanted to trigger me in right now because I think it's gonna keep on rallying, and I wanted to hit this line and keep on rallying. Is that a buy? I put a buy stop.
Yeah.
Buy stop screenshot in the chat. I'll go check it out right away. Wait, what? I just sent my buy stop screenshot in the Discord chart. Discord members analysis. How come I don't see it? Am I not community interaction members analysis? Or maybe we're the wrong Discord chat. Guys, make sure you guys also check the little announcements page. Here in the announcements, you guys will be able to see where you guys can get the discounts for the challenges. If you guys are looking to purchase challenges, you guys want to use Level Up Society, you guys can purchase challenges right there. I'm gonna check my phone right now. Guys, I have a friend that just pulled up with coffee for me as a surprise. That is fucking... Oh my god, I thought I was in the trade. Give me a good number. Give me a good number. Thank you. Exactly what I fucking lost. Oh no, I didn't lose that. I lost that yesterday. Yes!
We took a cell in the morning, taking for lunch session.
Yo, bro, I was at the gym. My bad. I was at the gym. Just hopped on. Back in your stream. Usually Voltex is in my stream. Then he decides to go to the gym. Then he decides to come back. Now he just barely joined. Jesus Christ. Miguel's been running it up with the live stream or what? This guy's up like 5 grand. Yo, Miguel is one of the traders that I know loves to fucking run up his live accounts. There's very few people that I see that have the goddamn risk tolerance he does on live accounts. Well, not very few people. Definitely I don't have that type of risk tolerance. Boy is not satisfied with a bag. He needs the whole goddamn trash bag. Did I miss anything of the FTMO trades? No, you didn't, brother. So Voltex, I made it very clear, not to you, to other people, that now I'm making it clear to you. I won't take the FTMO trades. I won't hop on at a random time and fucking take an FTMO trade, knowing that majority of the people know that I hop on at 2:30. So like if I've ever taken an FTMO trade, it's complicated me a little bit, not too much. Now I'm not worried at all. But we have a 3-hour window to take FTMO trades, which is from 2:30 to 5:30. If that 2:30, 5:30 doesn't hit, or 6:30, you know, I'm not gonna hop on New York session randomly when I know majority of the people aren't here. So like, yeah, I'm not gonna be fucking, or else I could just randomly fucking take a trade. Like yesterday, I was taking fucking S&P buys when everything was rallying. I made some money on the S&P buys on my other accounts. I was like, at one point I was looking at my FTMO account, I was like, damn, should I hop in right here? And I was like, wait, that makes no sense, because then I fucking start recovering my account, or if I send a signal right now, half the people are gonna be able to join, then I'm gonna go into my live stream and be like, guys, I'm up 1%, this and this and this and that, and then we got everybody else that just, like, you know, I'm not gonna complicate things like that. So I'm not gonna complicate things like that way. I'm gonna complicate things in the sense of where now I got a 3-hour period every London session to be able to take one of those FTMO trades. So I did not miss the trade for you, brother. I mean, you did not miss anything. I waited for you, brother. No way this guy got back that quick. Dude, what the fuck? Yo, and how come yesterday, did they put this in mine? Did you ask for like a fudge? This is the cookie crumble.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh wait, you got what I got?
Yeah.
It's just gas, right?
I told Danny, you know I always fuck up in my Starbucks order because they have like a lot of things.
Oh wait, you sent him to get Starbucks?
No, he told me.
Oh.
That's why I was texting right now.
Bro, does your friend talk? Does he rap? Is he just the hype man? I think he's the hype man. And along right now on GBPJPY, would you care to give your opinion on the pair? I would love to give you my opinion on GBPJPY. Miguel, would you love to give your opinion on GBPJPY? Since Ehab here, I think Ehab, you have joined late. Where the fuck is GBPJPY? GBPJPY. All right. Wow. I love this right here. What do we do? Does anybody, before I draw the chart out, what am I about to draw right now? Let's see if people know me very well. Thank you, Darren. Let's see how well people know me. What do I see on this chart right now? Let's see if Frank, what am I about to, what is the first thing I'm going to draw on this chart right now? Or at least what do I see? What formation? What the hell do I got going on right here? Bro, I just bought Euro USD. What do you think? I'm going to check out, I'm going to go to Euro USD right away. All right, just because I don't know if everybody's paying attention. Buys, fib. No, this is first of all the first thing I'm looking at right here, which that line is probably not the correct line to do it. All right, guys, whenever we're throwing channels and wedges, you don't, like, these are all relative, right? So for example, if I want to put this line here because I think that this is the correct one, it's perfectly fine. If you want to put this line right here because you think it's perfectly fine and there's a little bit of a breakout and goes back in, like, those are valid to me. I don't know if those are valid to you. Those are very valid to me. This is what I see right here, guys. Look, we have a descending channel here. We have the descending channel, descending wedge. The descending wedge had the break. I don't know about the retest, but it had a perfect break, unless you want to consider like this being, no. I don't see that as it being like that. No, I don't see it like that. But nonetheless, we had a little bit of a descending wedge. We had a reversal pattern, right? The reversal pattern ended up playing out, and we had the bull. We had an impulse right here. So this is a clear impulse. What is followed up by an impulse? We're either going to keep on going with the impulse, or we're going to wait for a correction. So would I take a buy right now? No. Would I take a sell? Neither. Why? Because I feel like we need a correction, and I'm not going to try to counter trade this impulse. Impulse, correction. Look at the fib that we had right here for somebody that said that I saw the fib. Fib 618 rejection, 764 rejection on a different time frame that respected the 0618. There you go. It respects the 0618, rallied, right? So we got a new leg. Now we did a new low, new high. How do you know? So if I wanted to throw another fib, there's a low right here, bottom of the wick. Now I'm going to the top of the wick. The only way that this Fibonacci is valid is if this is the actual high of the candlestick. If this is not the high of the candlestick and this keeps on going, then you're just looking at the complete wrong thing. It's not valid. That's why it's not good to throw Fibonacci's on an impulse. You're throwing Fibonacci's whenever you know that there's a clear low and a clear high. This isn't the clear high. To us, it looks like it's the clear high. It potentially could be the clear high, right? But anticipating the top of a fib is not what you want to be doing, guys. You don't want to be anticipating the top of the fib. That's a big misconception people have. So, like, if I was gonna throw a fib right now, shorts, right? Top of the wick, bottom of the wick, right? It already started retracing, so I understand that this right here, what I'm looking at, is low already. So this is a valid fib. But if I were to throw, so like on the opposite hand of the side, I don't know that this high right here, the one if I throw bottom to high, I don't know if this is the actual high. So therefore, anything that's coming down right now on the smaller time frames like this, like I don't know, this could be a retracement, but this could still be the impulse. You know, it just alters into a gamble there. So I don't like doing that. Another pair you wanted me to look at euro. So what would I do when do this pair right now? Honestly, I'd wait for a retracement and keep on going long. Why? Because we had a break of market structure, break of bearish market structure. Euro USD. Euro USD. Yo, Danny, and Danny's also up a hell on his account. Yeah, it's up like 6K.
Well, we took bias, so.
But he ain't even trading. None of the pairs we're trading.
So it took the EU bias from yesterday. So remember how we said it was gonna check at 1.2?
Yeah.
And it closed at 1.6.
Well, we're gonna buy it that moment.
All right. What to do, bro?
And then it rejected it.
Once we took this up.
Danny, what do you like on Euro USD? You trade Euro USD, no? Or Euro pairs?
Yeah, it took Euro USD.
Is it gonna bounce or what?
Now we just bounced off that 6666 level. And
What 666 level?
1.06.
Oh, I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying.
And why I like that is because we were covering that 4-hour wick to the left side.
So 4-hour wick.
And as long as we hold this in our next 30-minute candles bullish, I'll be looking for buys again. But it's hard to look for buys when the dollar is trending so strong.
That makes sense. The dollar is trending very strong. Like yesterday, we had a huge dollar rally. Either it was a dollar rally or it was a dollar retracement. To me, it looked like a dollar rally. Nonetheless,
No, we had a dollar retracement, so the fifth golden zone at 103.8, and now we bounced off the pure reclaim 50, and we're about to break highs.
if it was for me having to throw a trade right now on Euro USD, I obviously would be looking for a long due to the fact that we're at ultimate support. You know, we kind of had we have levels of support where it's a huge reversal zone. Besitos, mi chana. ¿Cómo estás, Grodo? Thank you. Good luck with today's trade. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much. US 30 buys for today. Oof, boys. Wait, is this even your stop loss? No, I extended it, right? Oh, your stop loss got hit?
Nope.
Where's your stop loss?
45. That sounds.
You think you bougie, but you bougie for the internet. Alright, Ehab, what it do, bro? You said bro. Don't bro me. Jay De La Vie. Jay, wait, is Jay here? Jay De La Vie.
Jay De La Vie. He got me with that name. Every time I'm gonna like.
He said sup. Dude, is that where I'm in my room right now. The room that we're in is silent. Like, you guys hear music, I don't hear music. Right? I really want to fix that. And he's been trying. He tried to call me like twice so I could actually fix it. I was fucking dead. My dog Hood Gabbit. What it do, Hood Gabbit? We are not in this. Oh, I am not in this trade. This is. I was learning Spanish in Miguel's stream. Oh, so you know exactly what we're doing. Look at that. I mean, Miguel speaks perfect English also, so I don't know about perfect, but definitely fluent.
I try to.
I'm just kidding. He speaks perfect English, boys. This guy was born in America, by the way, not born in Colombia.
But I consider myself Colombian. I was raised almost my entire life over there.
This is, guys, dude. I want to ask you guys a question. Actually, we don't have enough people. I was gonna ask you guys how you guys like. This is not the background I'm supposed to have on my trading. On the what you guys are looking at right now is just I literally hopped onto the charts and I didn't even open up I opened up like the starting screen and I didn't see that this is what was gonna pop out. This is horrendous, guys. This is just temporary. This is horrendously temporary.
Technical problems.
My wife is from Colombia. Ehab, damn boy. This guy Ehab.
Everywhere.
Dude, this guy fucking played soccer all over the world, played in Miami, got a Colombian wife, got off stream, fucking went to the casino, went to the bar, fucking gambled a little bit, came back home to his Colombian wife, ate some fucking, what do you guys Colombians eat? Goddamn arepas. I need a Latina and a take profit. That's funny.
Una paisita ahí.
Guys, I am currently up $560 in this trade.
Mondongo. Isn't that Dominican?
Yeah.
Isn't it mofongo?
No, mondongo.
They both are.
They both exist? So what? You guys got mofongo, mondongo. What else?
Mondongo.
Mondongo's like a soup.
Oh, yeah.
Latina's not good for everyone.
Is that?
What the fuck? Jay, aren't you Spanish though? Aren't you Latin? Didn't that come from a Latin?
The only thing is that they fight too much.
Yeah, they do. What's when you're drunk? Oh my god.
Yeah, bro.
Dude, look how smart this guy is. When they're drunk. Dude, that is so fucking true.
Is that all?
I don't understand that shit. That shit pisses me off.
What?
When these girls get drunk, they just love looking for problems. For what? You enjoy yourself. I don't care you're drunk. Don't try to make me care that you're drunk. I don't care, you know? Stop trying to make me care you're drunk. I don't care you're drunk. It doesn't bother me. So stop trying to fight because you're trying to like trigger me. You know, why? It doesn't trigger me. So you're getting triggered now. Duggan, how much are you up now on your FTMO challenge? I don't know if that was a funny joke now, but we are actually down on the FTMO challenge.
My wife is Puerto Rican.
My wife is Puerto Rican.
Oh, I know you want to help.
Es like que son las peores, dice. No,
and I was like, what? And she went back to sleep. Sleep talking shit. Huh? I don't.
There was someone on the floor.
On the floor? There's one on the floor somewhere. Oh yeah, there was one on the floor. Bro, I got this. Yeah, no, we're currently down 1% on our FTMO challenge. We're gonna have to take a 1% trade next trade, or maybe a 0.5% trade. I didn't want to have to hop on FTM. I didn't want to have to hop on London session and take an FTM. Like, look at this, guys. This is what statistically happens when you try playing out the bull market. This is, I'm gonna keep, like I said, I locked this. This is locked, right? We're not taking this off for a while, boys. We're gonna keep this there to keep us humbled. What's dumb is that this is the same entry I took right here. It's the same entry that could have been taken here, which the same entry could have been taken here, which the same entry I got to take here, which the same entry I got to take in any of these. But I decided to hop in this one. No, but I caught entries here and here. Like I caught 2 trades in this whole little rally. Just I thought it would continue. It didn't continue. You feel like you're gonna get clapped. You are getting clapped right now. OD. What? Oh, Gold Goblin. What does it say? OD to the community. What does ODE mean to the community? Yo, where the fuck is the?
You think people like guess where I'm from? Or not? What city? Like this culture enough. We're not gonna say nothing.
What does ODE? What is? Am I reading it correct? Is it any other
OD
like DD? ODE, Gold Goblin. Gold Goblin, thank you for coming back to the community and saying what's up. Look, it's careful how you gotta treat everybody that comes into the community. I remember Gold Goblin, the first thing he came into my stream, first time I ever remember his name, I think he like told me, like, your trade is not gonna hit. Like something straight up like that. Like, he was like, oh, I don't like your trade. And I was like, yo, bro, like chill, bro. I don't even know if my trade ended up hitting that day, but
that's a dope username.
But he ended up coming back and being like, yo, bro, like this and this and that. And then I saw that he wasn't giving me no shit. He was just like,
yeah, but he put like the goals on.
People like read whenever you're reading comments or reading somebody type to you. Typing, remember, whenever we communicate with each other in person, you know, our forms of communication are our eyesight, our verbal language, you know, how our voice, you know, the tone, frequency. Whenever we're reading shit, I don't know how it comes out. So it could sound like it comes out aggressive. It could sound passive. So I'm always just passively. I'm always gonna, whenever I read something, I'm gonna read it how I want to read it. So if it says like, oh, I hate this trade, I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna be like, oh, I hate this trade, you know. No, I'm gonna add my belief to how I want it to sound.
Damn, you were right about EU.
EU flew.
Right at that 6671.
EU. Guys, EU started going. That's why you don't sell at support. Are you in this trade? We are. So boys, we have I mean, a lot of people are not familiar that we have what happened here? We have Bullish Lifestyle in Spanish that goes on live during New York session. He is currently next to me, Mr. Bullish Lifestyle in Spanish himself. And obviously he speaks English and shit, like, you know. He's just gonna help manage the Spanish part so I don't have to, and he sends his own trades, right? So yesterday we've gotten 3 sell bangers from GJ. He only traded GJ as well. Nonetheless, this is his trade. He was on live stream right now, and I had told him that I wanted to hop on live, and he could hop on my live stream and put his trade up, and potentially we could catch some S&P. So when it comes to New York session, I don't really trade any New York session trades on GJ. But I do love trading S&P, and I do consider myself a goddamn sniper on that shit, so... So yeah, let's wait for a New York session to open. I mean, New York session's open. Let's wait for the stock exchange to open, and let's fucking catch some indice trades, boys. For the indice trade record on Bullish Lifestyle, we've caught 1 trade on S&P, and we hit. We hit. I thought I had it up. I don't have it up. You think you bougie, but you bougie for the internet. Roshan Paul. What a good name. Isn't that like a fucking Roshan Paul?
The other night I was sleeping, she woke up and I was like, what are you talking about? What's up? What's up?
Ehab says that his wife won't let him go to Colombia because of the woman there.
Makes sense.
Makes sense. Yeah. I think most wives don't let their husbands go to Colombia.
So in the past 2 weeks.
And the wives that do let their husbands go to Colombia, those are the ones you gotta keep.
In the past 2 weeks, I got 2. Well, I've known.
And the wives that want to go to Colombia with the husband, if they want to get, just kidding. Those girls are also bad. Those are the freaks. Are you in trade? What's up, brother?
2 weeks, I've noticed like there's 2 situations with wives that doesn't let guys go to Colombia, but they can go. So I don't understand.
As long as your husband or partner or wife also doesn't want to go to like Thailand or something like that, that's where it gets a bit weird. Is that one? Is it? I mean, actually in Colombia, I feel like that's also in Colombia. Don't they got a bunch of like child trafficking over there?
Hell yeah.
Oh my god, this guy said, I thought he was gonna say hell no. I thought he was gonna say hell no, and he was saying, hell yeah, why you say it like that? What the hell, bro?
Bro, there's everything.
What the hell? That is... Gotta delete the stream now. You tell him, baby, I'm going to Colombia. She says, we going to Colombia? Yo, I wonder if anybody caught that. Jesus Christ. Jay-Z and the house. Jay-Z, you got it. I mean, yeah, you got an Instagram. I saw your Instagram. I saw the Instagram message you sent me. I was gonna wonder. I was asking, do you have any Instagram? Like, is that your business profile? Like, is that the little? Is that what you're trying to get growing? I'll follow it. I'm down to support. You like this coffee way better? Tastes like fucking melted chocolate. They put fudge in it though. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to have fudge.
Tastes like that cookie. Not cookie. Ice cream.
I'm only up like $350 right now. Yes, man, I caught a banger today on my stream. Oh shit. I did not. Yo, and what are your streams? What are your streams? Send me a link to your stream. I want to be able to subscribe or follow. You know, keep see what's up. Boys, 1's in the chat if you're in buys, 2's in the chat if you're in sells. I want to know who's in buys. I want to know who's in sells.
Where's the bears in here? I want to see the bears.
1's in the chat if you're in buys, 2's in the chat if you're in sells. 2 sells, 2 sells, 0, no trade, 2 sells. Kate, you're in sells. Look at that. 0.
The volume's pretty low today, right?
Volume like slow. Like, why did it slowed down? And a slow down of volume, I don't know if that's supposed to mean that we're going to keep on going up or we're going to keep on going down. 0, both. Oof, I love that guy. This guy Hood Gabbitt's a fucking hedge fund right now. No. What does that mean? Every time Kate's in a trade, I'm always hoping that trade fucking gets slaughtered. She was one of the first people that got pissed as fuck when I didn't send the... Well, not pissed. Here, when gotta send the trades to the Discord. Because Kate wins, we all win. As long as Kate wins, the Discord wins. Well, the sell's starting to look better as we speak. I'm currently in buys right now, and my buys are... This is like my entry right here.
I was never thought of that trade.
My entry is 184. So this is basically my entry. We're literally in opposites right now.
Okay,
Kate, oh my god. No, I'm Polish. I live in the UK. That's high key, even like badder, right? Dude, that was funny. Frank, you're hilarious, man.
Here goes straight to TP1.
Yeah, right.
TP1 is gonna hit.
Boys, when you guys get to break even, no, you guys can get the fuck out.
I don't know about that.
Imagine how fucked it would be if I would just be like, oh, why does this one come out my color and yours come out your color? Oh, the cells. Oh, the cells are like original. You see? Polish women are awesome. Yeah, the exotics. Alright, look how fucking awesome this is. You guys could be able to tell which is my trade and which is his trade. If I were just like, I'm at 780. I'm not gonna do this, obviously. I'm not trying to confuse people and get them into fucking... Guys, buys or gambles right now? Alright, what does this say? Yo, the Instagram, have you not seen... Has it stopped? Has your phone stopped ringing?
I deactivate notifications.
1,700. Dude, at one point we had the same exact amount of followers on both accounts. Fuck! Hey, but Polish women are also nice. He goes, less aggressive.
I feel like they are. I mean, I feel like they talk with like intelligence, you know? They don't talk.
Yeah, they're the European girls are fucking awesome. European girls are the girls that us Americans and South Americans don't even know exist. You know? Like, we think that it's all about the Latins, but it's because we don't have got a lot of Europeans over here speaking with them little accents.
Well, I like drama.
I definitely don't.
I like Latinas. I love Latinas.
Ooh. But it reminds me of where's Jake Paul's new girlfriend from? She's Polish, right? She's like the world's #1 speed skater. She's a baddie. Indices open in 15 minutes, boys. We're gonna try to catch an S&P trade for the Signal Group on the Bullish Lifestyle. We are and I'm stuttering. We're gonna wait for it to retrace, because if it actually retraces, we're catching that bitch. Look at Ethereum. Sheesh!
I haven't checked Mana in a while.
Everything is just cruising in that stable ring.
Yo, downstairs, yo, oof. Jesus Christ. That is not pretty to look at all. No! Fucking Binance? This guy's on, dude, every fucking why does every hedge fund owner, every crypto exchange owner, every all that whole industry's all dirty? You'd expect that to be the industry that's the least dirtiest in the world, like that's supposed to be the most like fucking straight up. And that's the dirtiest one in the world. I don't even know what that means.
Gensler?
Oh, there's crypto news coming out right
No,
now.
I know. The CEO Zeng, whatever the fuck of Binance is, they're after him because they think that he was fucking just doing dirty work, because they all do dirty work. On any business that you tell, any business that exists that asks for your money to be able to make more money with it is always gonna be able to.
Yo, pop up the Coinbase chart right now.
Why?
Holy fuck, that literally just happened, bro.
I don't even know how to do that, dude.
Type in Coinbase. No, already do this type in Coinbase.
Coinbase what?
That's it.
One coin? You know, this is why I don't like Coinbase. Coinbase is a shit ass fucking. Ooh.
Damn, that was clean.
Slaughter. Confirmations to the cells. So wait, what does this little line mean? C Trader. Oh, so she does use C Trader. Frank, I just opened a file without even knowing. Oh my god, people know exactly what the fuck. Damn, this is not good.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this is just more about the fucking talk. Is it a security or is it a?
People are just trying to avoid law, that's all.
What is it? Is it a security or is it a what? What's the other one? Yeah, it's all about the classification. Basically, everyone's trying to fight what the classification of the tokens are. Dude, if the SEC wins this fucking thing, crypto should fly, dude. Which it really shouldn't, but you never know. What's the other word I'm trying to look for in my head? I can't. You know, people are always trying to argue whether it's a fucking, whether it's oof, that coffee got me like, what's the word?
I don't know what they're saying is they think crypto should be treated like any other security.
Alright, but there's securities and what else are there? There's securities and what? You're an idiot. What's the other option if it's not gonna be a security, guys? There's securities and then there's something else. If the FCC wins, the US is fucked with CDBDCs. There you go. Yes. What the fuck is a commodity? I mean, a commodity is like basically everything. Securities and commodities. There you go. Yeah, thank you, Jay De La Vie. I couldn't have that word pop up in my head. It was fucking killing me. Like gold. There you go. They're trying to make it a commodity like gold. Crypto's new gold, boys.
Damn, the is like super knowledgeable. You know?
Bitcoin is a commodity. I mean, yeah.
For right now.
Guys, I got like a random coffee rush right now. Like, first of all, I'm hot, and I usually no. You know what? Downstairs, it's always hot in here.
No, bro, it's cold as fuck.
No, dude. When you guys put the air at 70, I literally smelt the burnt in that. Like, I was standing right here, and I was like, "Why is there a burnt smell?" And then I looked up, and it was like I was getting hit by like hot wind, smelling burnt. I was like, And I right away went upstairs and I changed it back. So, like, look at Danny. Danny's barefoot and everything. You know someone's barefoot because they're hot.
Bro, I'm cold. Look at me. No, bro. Piel de gallina.
You just called yourself fat?
Piel de gallina.
Oh, not pig. Piel de puerco. Duncan, you are also in Miguel's trade, boys. I don't want to, like, it'd be very stupid for me to tell you guys what I'm telling you guys, and it's kind of like, but like, I don't know, a lot of people already heard it. Might as well, guys. My entry is at the 80. I'm basically in a buy right now. I'm in a buy right now, but the show's not about me today. Ugh. But we are blues, boys. Blow, 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 blow. Why does it? Oh, it's because the green screen. It never works. Are you guys roommates? Basically. Tomorrow we need to secure a big bag. Big bag, Votex. Votex, what I'm hoping for is for price to not recover. Like, I'm going to buy hoping that shit dies. Why? Because if price stays all the way low down here, what's up with you? Be jumping around like that? If price stays low down here, we could expect to be able to catch the whole recovery for London session. Miguel, your trade is now, if this actually starts looking bullish, it's going to not look too well.
I know.
Hold on, wait, a. Hold on, wait, a. Yeah, this guy was about to get stopped out, though. Boys. In this trade that you took on your private account, is this a trade that you took on my private account? Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. This is not an FTMO trade. I will not touch the FTMO account. For the last few weeks, literally, I've been only trading in the 3-hour period I've had to be on live. So, and I've been telling you guys, I'm not touching my live account. I'm not touching my accounts. I'm not touching my account. I kind of got triggered into wanting to touch the account today. Multiple accounts. I actually took a loss on a 10K account somewhere around here, which actually ended up going bullish, but I put a tight stop loss and went, like, closed my eyes, rested, got stopped out, and kept on going. I don't know what the fuck I did. I took like a little bit of like I think it was like a 2% loss though. $200 on 10K. It's a fucking 10K account. It's literally just a fucking. I just have it there. Actually, what I want to do on that 10K account, I don't know what I want to do. I was thinking about. I had to look it up. It's actually different from. It's a top tier account. So, what I do have, I can't link it. I don't have any other top tier accounts I can link it with. I want to try running it up. I just don't know how to run it up. I gotta leave like a fucking 0.5 lot and never close or some shit. But it's not even a swing account, so I'll just get charged a whole bunch of swaps. I literally do not know what to do with that account. Is this trade? I already read that. Yeah. But I'm running it up right now. Securities and commodities. Boys, thank you guys for coming and joining the live stream. Always. 21 likes. Thank you guys for dropping likes and shit. London, what am I saying? London Open, New York Stock Exchange Open is going to happen in 5 minutes, and then we should start getting some volatility in here. All right, S&P actually is looking like we have entries, Danny.
I needed to come down and test London's low.
We need to. London's lowest day down here.
It's not that hard, but good entry because this shit really cool. You don't have to press.
What do Ehab? Talk to me. Ehab wants to hop on stream. How do you want to hop on stream? Did we get a Zoom call going? Oh, what the fuck did I just exit? I just exited out of a tab. I don't know what I did. No, I have no idea. Tomorrow we risk 4%, brother. Hopefully not. Hopefully we just risk a 0.5% and catch a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, potentially 1 to 3, 1 to 4, and like try to catch one of those runner trades. Now we could risk 0.5%, close at 0.5%. Now we risk a full percent and close at a full percent. Let's look at GJ real quick. Oof, Jesus Christ, it is not bougie. Zoom. Damn, Ehab.
Only Ehab show his wife.
Ehab, the only problem, I was literally about to open Zoom. The only problem that I'm gonna have right now is that if I put you on, like, I can only listen to you through a headset, right? And we got 2 people here, so you're not even gonna be able to communicate with, like, people are gonna be able to hear you, cause if I put it on the speakers, my mic is gonna capture the speaker audio. Yeah, my wife is in my dream. My what? Yeah, my wife is my dim. Is that what it says? My eyesight sucks, boys. I suck at reading from a distance. DM. Oh, your wife is in my DM. Another day. Maybe we should do. I'm down to do a live stream tomorrow. You guys want to start hopping on Zoom with me, boys? And you guys could always fucking. I could just unmute a bunch of people. Hi, Duncan. Please make a video of let us know when you'll get your first payout on the first Leveled Up Society, because a lot of negativity. I can't. What? Negativity on Leveled Up Society? For real? Hey, Duncan. Please make a video and let us know when you get your first payout from the Leveled Up Society, because there's a lot of negativity and I can't much pay out videos. Boys, I assure you that if you get a payout on Leveled Up Society, you will get paid out. There's literally close to 0 chance that you don't get paid out. There's only a 1% chance that you don't get paid out, and that 1% chance is if you write it up to 100 grand. You know? I think all the negativity comes from false negativity, honestly. Like, everybody, like, there's like, yeah. You heard negativity from Leveled Up Society?
Kinda, yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
No, that all comes from, wasn't that from like the love the community? We need a meeting with Dubai. Oh wait, Voltex is the one that's in Dubai?
No, yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah. Then what the hell? Where did the negativity come from? I would love to have Lambo Raul come on. I could have, if you guys think that, I'm gonna literally screenshot this right now. How do I screenshot? My screenshot doesn't fucking work. No, I know how to screenshot. It doesn't work on my computer. No, it doesn't, Danny. We already did this.
Press Windows FN.
Dude, I'm not gonna do that. So it's gonna fuck up my thing. I have the print screen button right there. It just wasn't working yesterday. I mean, we did it multiple times. Bro, it's serious allegations because they do people bad. Is that, dude? Every time that I've heard drama, it's always came from the wrong people. You know, like if you hear negativity about one prop firm and it's coming from another prop firm, you're always like, for example, I heard a bunch of negativity about what happened with the Q Banks thing, that there was people trying to get paid out and Q Banks didn't want to pay out the guy, and then everybody was like trying to defend the dude.
What kind of bad things?
They think that people they don't get paid out. The only bad things that get said about Leveled Up Society before that got said were from nations or from anybody else that's from like a different thing.
No, because the bad things I've heard is not that they don't pay out. They pay out but late, like a month after. That's the bad thing I've heard. It's not that they don't pay out. The thing is that they pay out late, like a month after. And the thing with them is that every time you get paid out, they give you like a new account. So they can't trade for that time period. Do you guys agree with me?
Well, if that's the case, I'm gonna ask. I'm gonna actually talk. I'm literally now I have a reason. I'm gonna text Raul. I'm gonna be like, oh, bro, I have a bunch of people that they want some things clarified, and I'm gonna see if I can get them to hop on the stream. Yeah, a few people said that it's been 2 months since they haven't got paid out, but I don't know if they've changed the management before it was really bad. Why Lumber Raul pays over noob? I was not familiar with that. I was not familiar. I thought, I mean, at least, I mean, I assure you, if you get like, there's no reason for a company like that, which I'm telling you, it's a company that has levels to the level. Like, it's a big company, it's a real company. There's no reason for them not to pay you out. It would make no sense. Your guys' petty 10,000, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 is irrelevant to them. Is irrelevant. It really is irrelevant. I'm telling you. So if you guys think that you're not gonna get paid out, I don't think that's the issue. Now, if you guys are worried about the time limits and all that, I mean, then there could have been a management thing. I know, dude. Do you know who runs also leveled up society? Manuel de Martinez. One of the friends we went to school with, dude. That's the guy that I told you that Justin, the guy that looks like Caillou, beat up.
Oh,
dude, I was there the day that Caillou beat that dude up in Isles. I think. Dude, he was there. Juan D was there. We literally, like, it was like a whole, like, one of those meetup fight things.
Justin just texted me after.
For real? Dude, I went there thinking Justin was gonna get beat up. Yeah, he was pretty big. Yeah, zero. Dude, that guy had zero fight in him. Zero fight in him. Dude, that's the thing. Justin got in his face and he wouldn't, dude.
Fight every day.
Bro, you actually bought Euro USD. USD flew. Oof.
So you get contracted with it, USD.
Guys, I will make sure. I'm going to ask a few questions to Raul today. I'm going to be like, yo, bro, how does the payout system work? Because I don't have a funded account with Leveled Up Society yet. Peso, how does it feel to make real money with Forex? Does it feel better than sex? Probably not. Because I'm trading with... Dude. Honestly, when like there's a truthfully like what gives me the best satisfaction when it comes to trading is hitting the setup. You know, when you start learning how to like this was literally the conversation I was having earlier. You have to find that risk tolerance. Put yourself in a position where whenever you're in drawdown, you're not wishing you under leveraged. Whenever you're in profit, you're not wishing you over leveraged. Like, find that perfect middle point. So whenever I hit stop loss, it doesn't really fucking bother me because I fucking make that money all the time and I lose that money all the time. It literally is fucking irrelevant. If I hate take profit, I literally make that money all the time. It's not gonna change my fucking life. It's not gonna like if you're fucking trading 20 lots that you're expecting it to hit fucking 10 grand in one trade, and you're like, oh, I'm gonna make my first $10,000 month, and like you're never gonna fucking be successful. But like if you know that you hit TP1, you're not gonna get excited of it. You're gonna hit stop loss. You're not gonna get upset. It makes everything so much easier. So my point goes to my satisfaction literally comes from when I fucking hit the trade. Like my satisfaction is whenever click right here, boom, almost goes into drawdown, comes back to the break even, goes into profit, comes to break even, and then boom, it hits the trade, full take profit. That feels good. Also the runners, leaving runners feel better than taking profit. Having runners that eat. So waking up to being in profits, that also feels amazing. That probably is what compares to sex.
Besides, when you got money, you got sex.
Yeah, and then, I mean, you make money, you get sex. Bro, I never made real money, man. Can't wait to cash out my first FTMO.
Vortex knows Manuel.
We did that bounce, bro, on USD, and it didn't get triggered because it's different.
Brandon Williams asked, are we in this trade? Brandon Williams, Bullish Lifestyle in Spanish sent this trade. Bullish Lifestyle in Spanish is sitting here to the right of me. He's probably to the left of your guys' screen. Actually, he's to the right of your guys' screen. Wait.
To the right,
yeah. And yeah. He's been hanging on by a thread. This last, I think he's on a 3-win streak or a 2-win streak. He sent two win streak? Three. You're on a 3-win streak. He sent 3 sells on 2 trades yesterday. The day before that, another sell. This is his 4th sell. He's trying to get something going. Guys, he has a spreadsheet also, right? The spreadsheet's here?
Mm-hmm. I've been blogging the last one yesterday.
So my spreadsheet's all the way at the top. Look, Forex signals. So if you guys go to Forex signals right here, copy the spreadsheet, you guys will be able to see how Miguel to here to the right of me has been performing. Yeah, I trust him to be able to fucking give you guys great setups and be able to. I trust him more than enough to be able to give you guys great setups and help you guys, guide you guys through fucking New York session. Are we in this trade? Thank you. To the left. Oh, he is to the left. Yeah.
Okay.
Spreadsheet Discord. And if you want to check out my spreadsheet to see my track record, you can check it out right there. The Nightbot just barely sent it. And then you guys could, if you guys want to be able to see all that stuff and you guys don't know where to find the Discord is also in the comment section. Thank you, Centuri. S&P. Oh!
There's your lowest, boy.
I'm gonna take a buy.
Dude, I had to take a half a position because if you look at the US 30, dude, it tapped 3,500 as a dot, but on my broker it was 35.10.
Danny, but you think you bougie, but you bougie for the internet.
So now I'm gonna just target highs, catch 60 pips, and call it.
Hold on, wait, a. Hold on, wait, bitch. Tell me how many bitch you fuck. Oh, guys, we don't even have music on.
One thing that
What's that song that has like the little whistle?
Grace. That you can't even hear the music.
I know.
Stocks and forex are so different. I didn't realize that.
Oh, this guy aging. There's another person who wants to take trading stocks.
Options?
Yeah. Let me see. Even they send the profit in here.
Yo, did you pay Danny for the coffees yesterday?
I don't think so.
Did you pay him for the coffees today?
No, I don't know why.
So you think just life is just all free around here? I was thinking, because I was looking at my coffee. I'm like, hey, Miguel, you can pay for my coffee. Can I enter the short? The short on what, Mateo? Mateo. This is Miguel's trade. I'm actually currently in a buy. And I hate saying that. I think I won't ever do that again because I think people will get pissed. I mean, I'm gonna buy like down here. Of like getting confused though. But nonetheless, this is like I think the buys are a little bit of a gamble, right? You're trading GJ right now. You're trying to take buys on GJ. You're definitely in the gamble zone. Sell definitely looks appropriate through the fact that market structure is bearish, and we're like, unless we get a random volume push, which like it's kind of happening in this candlestick, so it's like it's not like many random while we're saying that. Oh fuck, the hourly's flipping doji. Guys, don't take any trade right now. I'll try to call a trade right now on the SPX. I'm actually looking to take an SPX buy pretty soon. So don't do anything crazy yet, boys. Danny, you think an SPX buys is valid?
Yeah.
I already took it. Me too. Tell me how many bitch you fuck. No, FTMO no buys. Blodge, I if you want to throw a low lot size Blodge buy on FTMO, whatever you want to consider low lot size, I want you to throw a literally you could throw a what's low lot size for S&P? Letting it retrace 2 lot. 2 lot. Go on the S&P. If you go on the S&P 500, you can throw a 2 lot on this trade. It's you definitely are fine if you guys take a loss on this trade on the 2 lot or 1 lot. Go 1 lot. Go 1 lot. I mean, I think 1 lot is literally nothing. Is this a trade? You called this trade? No. I'm gonna actually. No. I think it's a valid setup. Actually, I'm calling out this trade. I'm not going to send it to the Discord because there's not really enough time to type out anything. I did hop on this trade right now. I hopped in a very low lot size, guys. I hopped in literally a 2 lot. I hopped in a goddamn 2 lot. A 2 lot could literally go down all the way up to here. I'm only going to be down literally nothing. Like, I'm literally just trying to see if this is going to be one of those London sessions that we completely rally back up, leave wicks, and then we could potentially reach new highs, right? So, yes, I did hop on this trade, but this is like literally risking $300 in a trade. So, whatever $300 to you is, that's what the setup could be. I'm currently looking at this right now because this is still alive. Do you like the setup for I mean, I love the setup for. All right, guys, this is the trade that I'm going to be focused on. This is the trade that why is this not even my color? Oh, it is my color. Let me see what entry I got real quick. My entry on the S&P. I'm in drawdown on the S&P. Yeah, I'm in drawdown. My entry is actually... What? That doesn't even look close to being the same. This wick is huge. Oh, that looks more the same. What's the pair called on Meta? Votex, don't take an FTMO trade. This is not an FTMO trade. I only took a 2-lot. I took a 2-lot. If you're gonna ask, I took a 2-lot. 2 lots. 2 lots. And I realized 2 lots is actually way too little for even being an FTMO trade. Like I'm fucking down over 20. Like I'm down only fucking $100. And this is literally a very low lot size trade. I'm not feeling trying to have people trade. Like I don't really want to tell you guys to fucking take a big execution on something that's so random. Yeah, just thank you, Blotch. Thank you. Don't put the pressure on me to try to take you something that's so random. Like I'm literally throwing nothing at the trade due to the fact that I don't believe in it. We need some more volume to be able to tell what the fuck is gonna happen. Now that big bear push did give us good indication of what's gonna happen, but let's look at the daily real quick. So daily, completely disrespected towards the downside. Weekly looks like it needs to keep on going down. Monthly, potentially can keep on going down. Weekly, dude, we need to start forming a bottom wick pretty soon. Probably go up. Sell? I just wanted to take it on my own FTMO. You saved my life. As in, like, I saved your life by telling you right now to not hop in this trade, or I've given you an FTMO trade before that you've popped off. It's funny because it's usually that when people start saying I'm not gonna hop in the trade, never mind, I'm not gonna take the trade, is when the trade starts usually hitting. Or like when somebody hops out the trade is when it starts hitting.
They ask you, are you in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade, and they're suffering behind it.
What, S&P? Votex, I ask you all the time and I keep on forgetting, brother. Where are you from? Do you remember?
Never said.
Yo, the way I was playing chess yesterday, Danny.
Let me tell you, I broke my phone. I can't, like, dude, everything I would do would get eaten or taken. I was like, dude, what the fuck's going on?
At one point, I was in a groove.
I felt like I was brain dead. And then by the 3rd game, I said, nah.
No, by the last game, you literally, there were so many times, like, for example, when you were running your king away from me, there were so many times where I accidentally moved my place into the wrong piece, where my horse was next to your king, and the only thing you had to do was eat my horse, and then you would move the king further away from me. And I was like, no way, he just did that.
My only goal at that point was to protect the king and go for yours. No matter what happens.
Sticking like a QB. He was all petty the other day. He was like, bro, I realize you're not good. I just make a lot of mistakes.
Yeah. It's you know how to play up until you start literally like missing out on the clear thing right there. Like you it's like.
And if I lose the first 2, dude, I'm just trying to revenge.
Yeah, don't do that. No, it's that 1 piece means nothing, 2 piece means nothing. You're supposed to bait your pieces. Like a bunch of times I was telling you, eat my piece right now, because I was trying to clear up the board. You had too many pieces in the middle of the board, so I was like, fuck it. As long as he eats my pieces, he's gonna come closer to me. I can eat him later, and the middle of the board's gonna be cleared up. So I can start using my side angle attacks.
You really gotta think like 2-3 steps.
Even though he killed, when we were starting to play, he killed my.
You beat me once.
Yeah.
Drew twice.
Doesn't matter. I would win. I would have win.
So Votex is from the Netherlands, and no, I have never been to the Netherlands. Now I remember you're from the Netherlands. That's why I said I want to go to Red District. Red District seems like a fun place to go. Red Light District. Danny, you've heard of Red Light District? The horse or the hose? Yeah, I mean, why do you call them hoes? Like, why can't they just be prostitutes? Right? Like hoes. They ain't hoes. They charging you for money. If they were hoes, they wouldn't be charging you, right? If anything, you're the hoe going to the prostitute. Right? I don't consider prostitutes hoes. I got many friends from the Netherlands, a lot of cool people there. Dude, I fucking think that Netherlands people are probably the fucking dopest in the fucking world. Like, they're just so advanced as a country, so advanced as a mindset, but they're still very open to so many different things. And yeah, there's fucking... But I don't smoke, bro, because I'm Chechen. We can't do this. No way! This is the guy that's from Chechnya! Oh my god! Dude, Voltex. Jesus Christ. I'd love to see a photo of this dude. Imagine it's the complete opposite of what you would expect. Fucking when you see Fred on the screen. Remember Fred? The YouTuber, the first YouTuber ever, like type guy that made it famous. Where he made a movie and everything. I wonder, right? Is that guy dead? I feel like he's the type of dude to go into drugs. Dude, he was the first YouTube famous guy ever. Like the first YouTuber who like created like his own like literally. Besides Casey Neistat, Fred. This guy. He's with John Cena there. Yeah, but dude, that's big. That's why he got famous, because of the fucking engagement. That's why you gotta, you know, that's what you gotta do when you're on here. Brother, I don't smoke. Are you from Chechnya? I smash. Brother, you from Chechnya? Chechnya, brother. We don't smoke. We smash. So wait, where's when you're Chechen? I don't even know how to say it, brother. Chechen, it is Chechen. When you're Chechen, you're from Chechnya. Where's Chechnya? Or Chechnya is a Russian republic? It's like its own district? Brother, I smash. I'm up on the S&P and I'm up on my DJ. What the fuck? Why does my S&P say I was in drawdown before, now it says I'm in profit? Dude, you see? I knew that this was wrong. I'm at 628. Where's 628? Wow, 628's right here. Dude, what am I looking at? Oh, Wanda's way different from what the fuck my phone says. It's not in Russia. It's in Dagestan, brother.
2.5.
But what? Dagestan is not in Russia, Miguel? No, wanna what I just realized? I'm fucking slaughtering my fucking 25k account right now, and what I just realized is that, guys, for 2 lots on the S&P 500, this isn't how the lot sizes used to be back then. This is, I'm literally should be up like $200 something. I'm up $20. So I fucked up here. So I'll leave it. S&P was a good snipe. I'm up. I don't know why my entry says 6.8. That shows I'm up, and like 6.8 is over here. But I know I'm up. I'm looking at the candlestick and my shit's up like this. Forget that.
Yeah, that's pretty much.
Alright, Miguel got stopped out. Alright, boys.
Kind of loss.
Alright, boys. We are now going to start focusing on break of structures to the long side. We are now looking like, honestly, so what do I look at? What am I paying attention to right now on London, on GJ? Guys, I repeat to myself, this bear market this little bear structure that we had last session is not a bear indicator. That is not a bear indicator. Danny, look at this real quick. Come to my screen. Guys, I want everybody paying attention. Everybody paying attention. Look at this. So we had our impulse, boom, correction, right? Look at this one. Impulse, boom, correction, right? Okay. Besides that, how many pip range did we have that just made it? So if this was not a bear indicator, it's because this down here wasn't a bear indicator, right? Now let's look at how many pip ranges that was. So we had look at the break, boom, break. All right, boom, break. All right, retest, boom, retest. Okay, boom, retest. All right, now let's go to a bottom. We'll get a bottom right here, or we'll go to this bottom. Okay, let's count it to the top. 140. Okay, now let's go to a different bottom, which is the same bottom from here to the top. 170, just 30 pips bigger. After that, basically a melt out. Basically a melt out. How big was that melt out? Well, that one was 140 pips. How big was this melt out? Top to bottom, 170 pips. So this rise was as big as this fall. This rise was as big as this fall. This is literally the same chart. This is literally the same exact setup on each other. Look at them. It's the same exact setup. Look. Impulse, boom, and then when you look, I'm gonna go to a different time frame where it looks even better. impulse, boom, and then the range. Like this right here didn't indicate bear at all. This is what this is. This little point right here that we're circling right here. So this, for me, is the same as this. So what I'm worried about is that now I wish that we would stay down here so we could actually catch the lens, because I'm bull still. Like I said, I'm very bullish.
Was big, I think, just because we broke the weekly structure.
Remember, before every bull run, there has to be a bear market. There has to be a push down. You can't have a bull run without a fucking push down. So I hope everybody was paying attention to what I am paying attention to now. Does not make the setup of the sell any less valid than it was. It's just the probabilities of what's been going on. Potentially right now, price is actually going to fall back down and then go back into. Maybe it was too tight of a stop loss. It has nothing to do with it being a bad trade. Just probabilities of the game. S&P trade. Let's see how the S&P trade is going. Dude, the whole rally, all the way back up. I closed it out. Oh no, I didn't close it out. But I'm up like nothing, Danny. I think I did close it out. Let's see. Yeah, brother, I'm up $40. Like, what the fuck did I do?
It keeps tapping you and it doesn't feel. It's ridiculous.
One's in the chat if you guys paid attention to what I was saying on GJ right there. If you guys like the market structure that I see on GJ and why I think that that was still a bull. Is that right when everybody got stopped out? Everybody stopped talking. Or not everybody, but one. All right, so we did have some people paying attention. I don't know, was that there was nobody commenting, so I was like, yo, did anything freeze? Well, that's exactly what I see on GJ, and that's why, I mean, it's not that I want to touch GJ right now. It's just about having an understanding of about what's happening. That's what I think of the understanding of what's happening. Could we keep on making lower legs? 100%. 100%. Like this is just speculation, right? We could potentially 100% come down and come even reach this market structure down here, the 171s. Yeah, I'm 9:50. It's 10 o'clock. I'm about to reach 1%. Oh, damn, dude. That's fucked as hell. The green screen fucks everything over. I don't want to send it to you guys because then everyone just gets pissed. Hold on, wait. Hold on, wait. Hey, I'm holding that shit all the way. Is Jay Delavi still here? Blodge is still here. What price in red? What are the prices in Red District? Yeah, Voltex. What are the prices in Red District? Oh fuck! No fucking way. Crystal, thank you so much. That's hella, Crystal. Yo no sé si me puedo comer dos. But thank you very. Yo, look at this, boys. Gang. Ooh, they don't got that in Red District, boys. My tooth hurts. Dude, GJ is a whole nother monster right now. Alright, let's try charting ups in GJ right now. Monthly candlestick. Wow, I didn't even have written the monthly candlestick bullish flip. If I would have been watching the bullish bearish flip. Alright, this is the bullish bearish flip. So let's mark out bullish bearish flip. Bull slash bear flip. Dude, it's hot as hell. Alright, this is weekly support. Is it not hot? Weekly support. Dude, I'm sweating.
You have a jacket, bro.
If you're in a house that you can't wear a sweater, yeah, there's definitely a problem.
I don't agree.
Brother, if you can't wear a sweater in your house, it means that you can't put yourself under your covers. And if you can't put yourself under the covers because you're getting fucking soggy and sweaty, like, do you sleep soggy and sweaty in your bed?
Really?
That's comfortable to you? That's why Colombians don't belong in the United States, because they are not used to air conditioning. They're used to sleeping in some soggy, sweaty beds.
I didn't know that when I was in DR living there. It was like that. Man, I was going through it. We got that every day.
No, la cosa es esa. Que allá no es húmedo como acá. Allá es seco.
Dude, I'm running this shit up right now. I'm holding the shit out of this shit. My GJ long entry is at 175 basically. Barnes in the house. Barnes. My entry is right here. All right. This looks good. What up, boys? Let's see what the S&P is doing. Guys, the S&P was a perfect... Oh, never mind. S&P is coming back down, Danny. All right, this is the bull bear flip of the what? Of the monthly. Monthly bull bear flip, weekly. All right, that's the weekly support. I need to fix this, man. I hate having the drawn like that. We took any FTMO trades today? No, we did not take any FTMO trades today due to the fact that I was not on during my session that I'm usually on, so I did not want to have anybody miss out. I kind of wanted to get a good clear... I mean, the main reason I'm here watching the charts is to pay attention to what's going to happen in the London session tonight. Guys, what's going to happen in the London session tonight? What is the next thing I'm going to say? What are we looking for? What the hell are we looking for? What are we going to do when we get back to London session? Look at the wick rejections, boys. Remember when we were talking about these wick rejections on the daily? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We got fucked over. We got fucked over on the only day that we didn't have the fucking bull rush. Flips bullish, bro. 14 days in a row we had a daily make a daily low and then just flip bullish. Did you see that, Danny? 14 days in a row. The one day that it didn't do it in a row, I caught it and we fucking held that bitch for the full percent. Dude, I'm about to run the fuck up this 25K account. I'm not closing.
I think at this point of the market structure,
dude, the whole bear, yeah, dude, that's exactly what it is. Everybody's thinking it's the top. Everybody thinks it's the top. Stops the fuck out of everybody. Gets everybody thinking it's the bear market. Now we got a whole bunch of sellers that are actually getting stopped out, letting liquidity come all the way back up into fucking the range. And that's why I've been so bullish. So you see how every big move that goes down gets corrected up to the way up? That's the same thing that happened on the monthly and the weekly. Monthly and weekly had a huge bear market that just got recovered in 2 seconds. Like, boys, this is a bullish market. So taking my strategy wise, everything that's retracement just gives us better opportunities for buys. Boys, it is 2 hours into my stream. Miguel streamed for how many hours? An hour and a half. So we did a 3.5-hour stream today. It was not what we expected because a lot of people were waiting for us. London session was not waiting for us though, boys. We were gonna have to catch one, maybe this counter trend trade or maybe this counter trend trade, but that wasn't the only thing available. And the only thing available was now this risky trade, which I prefer now that we understand market structure. Let's range around this area. I'm gonna close my trade out. Hold on, wait, bitch. All right, I closed that 1%, boys. I closed that 1% on my trade, guys. We're gonna call it here. I promise you guys for like, you know, everything that I could promise you guys possibly. my health, everything, that we are going to be on a London session, and we're going to have a great session. Win or lose is going to be a great session. I'm not saying that I can assure you we're going to win, but what I got to tell you is that market's going to give us great, clean charts. So I hope that everybody survived this market that we had right now, this session. Hope everybody survived. Hope everybody managed their risk. If for the people that took Miguel's trade, hope you guys managed your risk. Hope you guys are yeah, we're gonna update that right away. So I guess we're gonna update the spreadsheet on the bullish lifestyle in Spanish. So Miguel's what now? 3-1, 3 wins, 1 loss. Guys, if you guys take losses, don't take it to heart. There always is losing trades, so it's about putting yourself in winning positions where a loss is not going to matter. Putting yourself in positions where when you take a loss, you can easily take a win after and you're not affected. Manage your risk, boys. Please, 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 please manage your risk. I just barely closed out on my GJ trade, so I wouldn't be surprised if this fucking keeps on flying. That's usually what happens. Somebody has to sacrifice themselves for the price to actually keep on going. Yes, sir. We're back at it tomorrow. Miguel will kill it again. Miguel, you have been killing it, brother. People have been loving what you're doing. Nonetheless, thank you boys so much. W Hood Gabbett and W Duncan, W Miguel. Thank you guys so much for showing so much fucking support. I apologize that I was not on for London session. I was trying to catch. I mean, dude, honestly, I promise you we would have been watching paint dry. I don't know. I'm not going to be the type of guy saying I would have caught this retracement because I don't know how I would have reacted to this. This is only 3 candlesticks, 3 30-minute candlesticks. It would have been an hour and a half being able to catch buys, but it didn't even rally buy. Like, it fucking went up creeping. I think that would have been a nasty. I would think it would have been a very ugly session. So I'm actually pretty glad that we fucking came on and just at least we cleared up the room, guys. We understand what we're looking for tomorrow, right? I hope everybody understood that when I'm looking at what right now on GJ. Guys, look at the daily on GJ. The daily on GJ is just like when we took this long. We took this long up here, thinking that this was going to end up with a wick to the upside. It had to come back down, and now look, everything we're going to keep on. Everything is just ending with a wick to the upside, wick to the upside, wick to the upside, wick to the upside, wick to the upside. It's like, dude, guys, this is 14 wicks to the upside. There's 14 wicks to the upside that is telling you something. So I'm not upset about the buy we took due to the fact that we are buy we took over here. We took this buy right here. I'm not mad about this, right? Not mad about this. We just hopped in a little bit too early. This is the actual buy, right? We're in a range right now. Let's hope we get back to the bottom of the range by London session and catch some buys from this bottom all the way back to the top of weekly support. That's the weekly support. So if we go to the weekly, we see that this is the weekly support, right? We're about to get to the weekly support. Weekly support is about to be respected. That is a magnet zone. We're probably going to that magnet zone next. Monthly went from bearish to bullish. We're back to being bullish on the monthly. Let's look at the monthlies before that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row before that we're bullish. Probability wise, this one's going to end bullish also, right? Daily candlestick charts are all ascending. Levels of support of ascending. We have not closed at a lower level of support for 14 days, for 2 weeks, more than 2 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Guys, 18 days. That's going to be almost a whole month that not one daily candlestick closes beneath the last one. Like, we have not had. We've had a little bit of breaks of structure. Not any closings. A break of structure is when the candlestick closes, just because it taps and it breaks the structure. That's like, no, it doesn't count. This is not a break of structure. This is, it's where the candlestick closes. We haven't had a lower level of support. You see, Miguel? So for the future, we're looking for buys, boys. We're gonna look for clean ass buys. I hope you guys came out with something. Like I always say, like, that's the most important thing, guys. When I fucking first started trading, live streams are what literally helped me become a profitable trader. Well, helped me become a trader, whether it be profitable or not profitable. Fucking live streams are what helped me. Live streaming is what helped me understand what the charts were happening. Live streaming is what helped me understand what it is to develop a strategy. Live streaming is what helped me understand what a trader actually does whenever what a profitable trader actually does when they trade, because all you guys are fucking traders, right? We're all fucking traders here. We all fucking trade constantly. We're all here every single night, whether it be Voltex, Karmazan, J Delahavi, J Pips, or Gabbett, Frank, Blodge. We're literally all here every single night. We're all traders. Now it just comes down to our style of trading, the way we perform when we trade, right? Our solid trading is going to be what determines our performance. So now it's just about adjusting our styles and getting it tweaked a little bit, tweaking all the fucking little variables that we have to making a profitable strategy. So this is the road to making a profitable strategy, boys. Thank you guys for joining the live stream. Peace out from your boy Peso. Peace out from your boy Miguel. Love you guys. We want to escape the matrix, brother. I am a part of the matrix though, so high key, I don't think there's any. You think you're escaping, but I got you. I got you right where I want you, brother. Peace, boys. Thank you, boys.